We're the Redneck Redcoats, and we're sailing SV, fresh to Solden.
We're on a journey, looking back on the things that we've taken for granted, but feels like we're learning to be better without what's been holding us back now. Let's move closer to a new history, find out what we can be together. Take my hand and we will conquer the world. This is our final chance. 'Cause one day we'll be looking back at this. We were in a big mess together. But we found a way to choose right from wrong. We found the strength to go on together. To go on together.
Lately, we seem to be stuck in this routine. We spend a couple of days on the boat doing homework with the kids. Then we motor through all these boats to go and do laundry. And then we come back and then we spend a day or two motoring through all the boats to go buy groceries. And then we come back and we just repeat that over and over and over. So, it's time for us to leave Key West. Time for us to go somewhere different. But it hasn't been all bad. There has been some really cool things that we've seen in Key West, and today we're going to share that stuff with you.
Why are you laying down? Try not to get wet. I can't hear you. Trying not to get wet. How's it not getting wet going for you?
Still wet.
How wet are you, Talon? You're not? Dad got soaked. Now I got the kids the needle.
It looks fine to me. That looks like a needle.
Stop it! It was just right there. I saw it coming to it. It came up out of the water. That's how I saw it. I saw it from back.
Under the water?
Yeah.
It was big too, right?
Yeah.
See? Told y'all! See? Slowly, Steven, slowly, slowly. Go slow. Ah, there it is, look. Where'd it go? There it is. It's a huge one too. It's huge. It's right there, it's right there, it's right there.
Mom,
Yeah, when I get closer I will. Seeing dolphins, no matter where we're at or what we're doing, will always, always, always be my favorite thing ever. We saw several dolphins in Key West, specifically over by Sigby, and we also saw sharks and manatees in Sigby in the naval base. So I would definitely say that some of the marine life that we saw here has been one of my very favorite parts of being in Key West and at the naval base.
So how cool was that dolphin sighting? Really cool. I gotta let this thing cool that it's sighting. But was it way too creepy like to see dolphins that close?
This is the entrance to Sigby Naval Base. If you're a veteran and you're going to Key West, this is where you're going to go and park your dinghy for free and walk to the commissary to buy groceries for the cheapest price around.
See how bright the fire inside of us burns. Everybody wants to get evil tonight. Big devils masquerade under the light.
So listen, right here's where we did the donuts.
Yeah, right there.
Yeah.
Right inside here. So that's where I was looking at my other paddle.
I'm surprised you managed to do it.
Managed to do what?
Donuts.
I was doing it like on a pin.
Yeah, we nearly hit those boats.
You got a new hat.
Yeah,
Why?
because my other ones were getting mouldy.
Like how moldy?
Like bad mouldy. Plus, I've been burning my head recently, so
You've been burning your head because you haven't been wearing a hat because they're all moldy.
yeah. So
Yeah.
I don't like how warm it's getting.
I love how warm it's
you're
getting.
wearing this.
Yeah, I like wearing this. That's why
Yeah,
I wear this because it's comfortable. But like,
Find some comfortable summer clothes because, honey, we're going.
I like
into
having
summer.
like sleeves. And,
Well, it's going to get warmer over the next 3 months.
Time to get used to summer clothes because we're going to the Bahamas. Okay, back to the stuff that we liked about Key West. At Sigby, there are always this many or more fish swimming around the docks.
One of the other things that we loved about being here was exploring places like this cut that ran behind an industrial complex between some houses. It was absolutely beautiful.
One of my favorite things about Key West was the fact there were just chickens everywhere.
If we lived on land, I definitely would have been trying to capture this hen and her little babies. I thought they were just beautiful. You kicked your baby! Twice! She did it twice.
This is the same mama hen, but this time I caught one of the babies.
Mama's gonna get mad because
It's a nice chicken.
Look at the baby!
Oh, mummy's not happy.
yeah, put it back. Put it back.
Mummy's not happy.
Did you pick it up? Oh my goodness. And just like that, we're right back to doing laundry, the never-ending chore of laundry. We've loved our time in Key West, but it is time to go. So keep watching, and in the next few weeks, you may get to see where we stop between here and the Bahamas.